Micro-edging is an old process implemented by the first generation of installers. It's used to taper the edges in order to get a flush finish at the edge of the glass. However, the process of using a file to trim the edge of the film can also cause damage to the glass. Over the last couple of years, installers have developed a simpler way to avoid damage and get a clean-cut edge. We call it shaving. Shaving consists of the same technique as micro-edging, but with a less abrasive instrument. By running the sharp edge of an Olfa knife closely and firmly across an overlapped edge, you'll be able to trim the excess film and get the best finish possible on the edge of the glass.
Shaving. Shaving is the more modern procedure to ensure the perfect edge on a window film installation. Start with a new blade on your Olfa knife. You will use a large part of the knife to cut the film to conform to the angle of the glass. Once the pattern is installed on the glass surface, you may need to trim a bit of excess film over the top edge and sides, if it's frameless. Consider the placement of the knife and the curvature of the glass in relation to the angle of your knife. There are two angles to master: the angle of the blade in relation to the edge of the glass, and the position of the angle to cut. Find the best spot where your blade meets the bevel of the glass and angle your knife back 30 to 45 degrees while dragging it firmly across the edge, slicing and removing excess film. Carefully run the tip of your finger around the edge of the glass to test for proper trim. It should feel perfectly smooth and edgeless. If necessary, run your Olfa knife as many times as needed to get the desired smooth edge.